Hello students, we'll solve one problem related to the module 3 chapter. Uh, the problem is like this: a square plate maintained at 95 degrees centigrade experiences a forces of 10.5 Newton when forced air at 25 degrees centigrade flows over it at a velocity of 30 meters per second. Assuming the flow to be turbulent and using Colburn analogy, calculate first one the heat transfer coefficient, second one is the heat loss from the plate surface. So properties of the air are already given: the density 1.06 kg per meter cube, specific heat 1.005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin, and kinematic viscosity 18.97 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters square per second, and Prandtl number is 0.696. So this is the data. The problem is we have to solve by using Colburn analogy. Okay, so from that we will from that method we are solving the equation to find out the heat transfer coefficient as well as the heat loss from the plate surface. Okay, so let us will write first given data. The given data are: the force is given, that is 10.5 Newton. A square plate is there like this. Okay, a square plate is there. This plate is maintained at 95 degrees centigrade. Okay, and it experiences a force of that is drag force. Fd is 10.5 Newton is given. Okay, when it is 85 degrees over a velocity of 30 meters per second. So surface temperature of that plate is 95 degrees centigrade and velocity is given 30 meters per second, and atmospheric temperature is given 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, now we'll calculate what is heat transfer. First one, heat transfer coefficient. Okay, for the turbulent flow, they're given in the problem directly. It is a turbulent flow. The drag force for the turbulent flow, the drag force is given by F is equals to Cf into half of rho A U square. Okay, so your drag force is given already 10.5 Newton is equals to Cf. It is given already the constant, that equation, the 0.072 divided by Reynolds number, that is 0.2 into half into 1.06 density. It is given area L into L, so into 30 square. Okay, 30 square. Now you have to simplify this equation, 0.072. This whole term you can write it as Reynolds number is nothing but mu ul whole to the power 0.2 into 1 by 2 into 1.06 L square into 900. Okay, now again this value we know, this one you know. Okay, so everything is you know, but it is in terms of L only. This also know. So now we can write You can substitute the values 0.072, 18.97 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 25, and L is unknown, that is 1 by 2 into 1.06 into 900 into L square. Okay, so again you have to simplify further. This equation becomes 1.424 into L square divided by L to the power of 0.2 is equal to 2.05 L to the power of 1.8. So finally we can calculate L is equal to 10.5, 2.05 whole to the power of 1 divided by 1.8, that becomes 2.478 meter. Okay. Further we can calculate the Reynolds number for that plate, end of the plate, that is Reynolds number at the end of the plate, so REL is equal to UL dot by okay is equal to 30. L is already calculated, and 118.97 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is almost, it is around 3.919 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, the average skin friction coefficient, the average skin friction coefficient, that is C bar F is equal to 0.072 divided by REL whole to the power of 1/2. Now further we can write 0.072 3.919 into 10 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 0.2 is around, if you calculate it, you will get 3.45 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So from using Colburn analogy, it gives Stratton number, Prandtl number to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to skin friction by 2. Also you can write Stratton number, also you can write in terms of heat transfer code H bar rho CPU into Prandtl number to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to CF by 2. CF is equals to CF is already given. CF is nothing but we have already calculated. We know that CF value. Okay. From that we can calculate CF is that average steam fraction is 3.4523 already calculated. Okay, it is this value already calculated. Okay, so only substitute in terms of heat transfer coefficient. H bar is equal to rho CPU divided by Prandtl number 2 by 3 into CF by 2. HF is equals to 1.06, 1.005, 1.005 and 30 whole divided by Prandtl number is already given 0.696 whole to the power of 0.66, okay, into 3.457 into 10 power of minus 3 by 2, and H bar is equal to 70.32 watt per meter square degree centigrade. This is the answer. And second one is heat loss from the plate. Heat loss from the plate surface Q, that is Q is equal to H bar A delta T is equals to 70.32. Area is already given 2.478 to 2.478 because it is a square in shape and 95 minus 25. Okay, we get Q becomes around 30.226 kilowatt. Okay, I hope you followed this problem and understood the concept. Thanks for watching this video.